was brought to you by Bigger Light Tea. Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa tiyan na sexy, take Bigger Light Tea. And Cebu Pacific, why everyone flies. And Helco Life, big in life. How are you? It's 12 o'clock. That time check was brought to you by Skin-Made Shark Oil and Fujidenso Home and Commercial Appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving features in all our products. So choose wisely. Choose Fujidenso. Fujidenso, quality above all. Hi, Tony. What's your secret to staying sexy aside from proper diet and regular exercise?
It's simple. It's Bigger Light Tea. Bigger Light Tea helps take away constipation. Instead of sexy, Bigger Light Tea.
Senna is the generic name of Bigger Light Tea. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Helps with constipation, plus it keeps you fit and healthy. 100% all natural with no side effects. Para sa tiyan na sexy, take Bigger Light Tea.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan na ang labada, kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda.
Honey, anong tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Gaanda.
Kung i-pwede ako dito sa flat.
Gaanda.
Kung mag-dress na lang kaya ako.
Gaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ano pang isuot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit ng panlabas, Pride, the fabric conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit. Hindi ko yata magpadsama.
Gaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan ang labada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Pride with fabric conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
Iwasang mangalay kung sa mga kamay mo nakasalalay ang iyong trabaho. Mag-Farex B Complex araw-araw para sa tuloy-tuloy na repair at protection ng nerves. Farex B Complex. Di bibigay sa ngalay.
Mga misis, para sa dishwashing na tanggal ang sebo, pati bacteria, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay sa'yo. For only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Smart Dishwashing, panggaling-galing.
Hi! After the cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing o the pinaglutuang masibong-masibo at pinagkainang maaalang mabakterya.
Ang misis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay na bagay sa iyo. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ang sebo. Tanggal-galing ang bakterya. Sa presyong kay gaan-gaan pa.
Thank you.
Smart Dishwashing. Ang galing-galing. Only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Suggested retail price.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Hi, how are you? Ba't di ka na gumigilik? Uy, what happened?
Nasunog kasi mukha ko dahil sa iba't ibang produktong ginagamit ko eh.
Ganyan din ang nangyari sa girlfriend ko before. Alam mo ba kung anong nagpagaling sa nasunog ng balat? Skin-Made Shark Oil.
Skin-Made Shark Oil?
Oo, facial whitening oil. It removes dead skin cells and blemishes, allowing new skin cells to dominate, making smooth, whiter, radiant, and younger-looking skin. Effective treatment din ito sa pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Skin-Made Shark Oil is proven effective to whiten underarms and other body parts.
Talaga? Sige, bye. Bibili muna ako ng Skin-Made Shark Oil para beauty. Skin-Made Shark Oil, available at Mercury Drug Store, Watson's, Robinson's, and Metro Gaetano.
When the magic is real, that seems impossible. That's real. That's the greatest trick of all. David Blaine, Real or Magic, live in Manila, September 12, Mark Araneta Coliseum. For tickets, visit ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. Making the impossible real. David Blaine, live, brought to you by Air 21. From AXN, Ovation Productions, and 96.3 Easy Rock.
Iba't ibang mamamayan sa buong bayan. May tinapay na kinakikiligan. Tulad ni Mang Ben. Gardenia! Laambot sarap si Teacher Lea. Uy, Gardenia! Ang masarap! At syempre, ang hindi magpapahuli, si Mami Tina at ang kanyang mga tikiting.
Basta Gardenia!
Palibasa, gardenia. Sa lambot. Oo. Sarap. Pati ako, napapa. Gardenia. Masarap kahit walang palaman.